Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of printers with the Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310. This wireless wide-format printer boasts some impressive features that are sure to elevate your printing game. Stick around as we explore what this printer has to offer. Alright folks, let's jump right into it. The Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310 is designed to handle your high-volume printing needs with ease. With its fast wide-format printing capabilities, you can tackle print jobs up to 13 by 19 in size. Plus, with auto two-sided printing up to 11 by 17, you'll save time and paper. What sets this printer apart is its precision core heat-free technology, delivering lightning-fast print speeds of 25 black and 12 color ISO ppm. Say goodbye to long wait times for your documents to print. But it's not just about speed, it's also about quality. The Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310 uses Durabright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks to ensure sharp text and vivid colors with every print. Whether you're printing documents or graphics, you can expect print shop quality results. Now, let's talk productivity. This printer is engineered for durability, reliability, and heavy workloads. With a 500-sheet paper capacity, including two 250-sheet trays and a rear feed, you can easily handle those high-volume print tasks without constantly refilling paper. And navigating and controlling the printer is a breeze thanks to its 2.4 color display and the Epson Smart Panel app. Whether you're setting up the printer or monitoring print jobs from your smart device, you have full control at your fingertips. Plus, with Wi-Fi and USB connectivity options, you can print from virtually anywhere in your home or office. Now, let's address a common concern raised by some users regarding ink compatibility. While the Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310 is designed to be used with Epson genuine cartridges, some users have reported issues with aftermarket ink. It's essential to stick with genuine cartridges to ensure optimal performance and avoid potential damage to the printer. Wrapping it up, the Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310 is a powerhouse printer that combines speed, quality, and productivity into one sleek package. Whether you're a home user, small business owner, or creative professional, this printer has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. And that concludes our review of the Epson Workforce Pro WF-7310. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy printing!